Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Oven Recipes. Today I'm going to be cooking up fried eggs in the Phillips Air Fryer XXL. So we can see how this air fryer does with cooking up some fried eggs, and we're going to get started with that right now. Alright, so for this fried egg cook in the Phillips Air Fryer XXL, I've got myself a couple of large eggs. I'm going to be using a couple of Ramekins, because I'm going to put one egg in each ramekin. If you want to, combine them in the same ramekin or whatever, that's your choice. Basically going to just spray the insides of these ramekins with some cooking spray, because if you don't, things stick really bad in this cook. So just spraying it in there real good. And I'm going to go ahead and get the air fryer started up. And I'm going to go over to the manual preset, and I'm going to up the temperature to 350 degrees there, and I just want to do a preheat. So I've basically got things, with no time, and that'll start a preheat. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead while it's preheating, get these eggs into the ramekins. Alright, so things are fully preheated, so just going to pause by pressing the button. Just doing a little cooking in here earlier, but since we're using ramekins, we don't have to worry about that. So close things up in there, up my time to 6 minutes, and going to start there. Bring you back in 6 minutes. Alright, so we're coming into the final seconds of this 6-minute cook at a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll see how these eggs turn out. Usually at about 6 minutes, I found they get about right at about 6 minutes. It's, with eggs, your size of egg, the temperature of your refrigerator, a lot of factors at play. But let's see if we get this right here with this cook. So here we have at 6 minutes, and you want to get them out quick so that they don't continue heating in there. You want to get them out fast. So, got them off the heat, and you can see this fried egg here. You can see the yolk is not yet fully hardened. Let's see if I can get it out. Won't come out. So it's coming out a little. Well, you can see the yolk is running. So that does work to get the egg out, and it's coming out a little bit. I could complete plating this, but I guess I don't want to run the yolk all over the plate. But basically this is how you do it. So I'm just going to set it on the plate like this. I'm going to do a small taste test straight from the ramekin. Alright, so here's our egg from the ramekin here. And I'm just going to keep it in here to do the taste test, because it's just easier for me than putting it all over the plate. But when you do yours, you could make, put it in your egg McMuffin, maybe whatever type of thing you want with eggs from it. But you can see that egg is still hot, that yolk, still runny, so a nice sunny side up type fried egg. Let's do a taste. Alright, so perfectly fried egg there. So definitely try a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then do 6 minutes cooking your eggs in the ramekins. If you have something like the baking pan that comes for this Phillips Air Fryer XXL, you could try something with that. But this way with the ramekins, it comes out real nice. You don't have to buy any extra accessories. You should already have some ramekins if you don't have ramekins. Always going to come into some things where you need ramekins, and they're just so handy and versatile. I definitely recommend ramekins to anybody who doesn't have ramekins. I'll even put a referral link in the video description so you can get yourself some ramekins. But anyway, this other recipes, it's superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can get directly to this YouTube channel anytime by going to waveovenrecipes.com to watch videos. Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend. Leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.